So we'll give him the yellow yolk from an egg. We'll take out the white part, and we're just gonna give him the yellow straight.
Oh my goodness!
Okay, so we got the egg yolk.
So that's what we're doing. Unfortunately.
Okay. Let me go get it. Yeah. Okay, I'll turn this closer to here so you guys can see his reaction whenever he's actually gonna bite it down. And over bend down. Bro, he's enjoying that shit. He's not even sure.
So, is it butter and eggs?